next step is to remove the positive connection from the solenoid relay. That's the last one. So use this. Okay, nearly. So there's a Allen screw wire. Okay, already removed. Okay, so now I can pull out the damage starter on the bottom. So if you can see, I already removed this. Okay, this is it. I removed the starter. Okay. So here the starter motor. So the problem with this is the starter faulty. This, so the number is 897 3860 620 is 114869. So made in Japan, Hitachi Motors.